Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on analysis and design of algorithms. In this session I shall discuss 2 to 3 trees. Previous was all about AVL trees. This 2 to 3 trees also comes under the transform and conquer technique. So first let me give you the definition for a 2 to 3 tree. A 2 to 3 tree is a tree that can have nodes of two kinds. One is the 2 node and the other one is the 3 node. So what do you mean by a 2 node and what do you mean by a 3 node? A 2 node contains a single key and has two children. So here if you see the example for a 2 node, whatever is here, the root node is having a data element and the other 2 nodes are the children for this root node. So this is a 2 node. What is a node present towards the left side will have a value lesser than the root node, and a node present towards the right side will have a value greater than the 2 node. 3 node contains two ordered keys K1 and K2. Here I am showing it here, K1 and K2. K1 should be less than K2 and has 3 children. So here we can show 3 children for this 3 node. 1, 2, 3. Now it will be more clear when I give you an example for this 2 node and 3 node. And the other features for the 2 to 3 node is data is stored in a sorted order. It is a balanced tree. So each node can either be the leaf node, or it can be a 2 node, or it can be a 3 node. And insertion of a node is always done at the leaf level. So whenever you want to insert a node in the tree, you are going to place that node at the leaf level. So this I'll tell you at the end, the time complexity for the 2 to 3 tree. Now inserting the elements, let us take one example. So the elements given are 50, 60, 70, 40, 30, 20, 10, 80, 90 and 100. So these elements you need to insert into an empty tree. So you'll start like this. The first element you want to insert is 50. So you have placed here in the tree. Now this is the only element present. Next comes 60. So you want to place 60. What you have done is 50 was already there. Now you have inserted 60. In 2 to 3 node, you can always place two elements. So you want to insert 60. So what you have done is immediately after 50 you have placed 60 here. You should not place 60 and then 50, because always this element should be in the sorted form. So already 50 was there, you have now placed 60. Next is you want to insert the element 70. 50, 60 are already there, then you are going to add 70 to this node only. And next time when you try to add 40 to the tree, you cannot add 40 to this existing node. What you have to do is you need to simplify this step. And how to simplify this step? Whenever you have a node with 3 data elements like this, 50, 60, 70, the middle element you need to take it to the root level, and the other two, 50 and 70, you need to separate it out. 50 and 70 are the two children nodes. So you can see that in the next step what you have done is, now 50, 60, 70 was there, 60 you have brought it to the root level and you have separated out 50 and 70. So this is the resulting tree. Now after this you need to add the next element. The next element is 40. So 40, where will you place? 40 is less than 60, so it will come towards this side. And since you already have an element 50, you can insert this 40 here in the same node, but it should be towards the left side, because that is how you have placed 40 and then 50. So this 70 is there as it is, 70 you keep it as it is. So you have completed now 50, 60, 70, 40. Next element is 30. Now you need to insert 30. So where will you place 30? First thing is 30 is less than the root node 60. So it will come towards the left side. Already you have 40 and 50. So what you are going to do is you will add this 30 to this node only, 30, 40, 50. Now here you can see there are 3 data elements. So definitely it cannot have 3 data points. What is the process? You need to, same like what you did previously, whenever you have a node with 3 data elements, the center node you need to pull it, and this 30 and 50 you need to separate it out. So this thing you can observe here in the next step. What you have done is, already this 60 was there. Now when you pulled this 40, you got 40 here before this 60, and you need to separate out. 30 and 50 got separated, 30, 50 got separated. Previously this was there 70, so the 70 is appearing here. Next you need to enter in the list. You have what? The element 20. So you are keeping it here. 20 you need to insert now. So first thing is, see whether 20, yes, 20 is lesser than these 40, 60. So 20 will come over here. Already you have one element 30. So you will place this 20 here. Then the 30 will be kept as it is in the same node. 50 and 70 are there. So here not a problem, because two data elements can be there in the node. You are not supposed to keep three data elements in the node. Whenever you see three data elements, then you need to simplify it by pulling the middle node to the root node, and the other two nodes you need to separate it out. Next element that has to get inserted is 10. This one 10 will come to the left side of the tree. So already 20, 30 were there. So now you have placed 10 also. Then comes what? The 50 and 70 as it is. But this node, three data elements are there. So you cannot have three data elements. Then you take the middle element. Middle element is 20. You pull it up. So it will come to this root level. Already 40, 60 were there. So it will take its position, because 20 is less than 40. So it should be placed before 40. And then you have this 10 and 30. You need to separate it out. So you have separated out 10 and 30. The remaining 50 and 70 you keep it as it is. Next is, at this point what you are observing is this node is having three data elements. So now you cannot keep three data elements. What is the procedure? 40 to be pulled to the root level, 20 and 60 to be separated. 20 and 60 to be separated. So here you can see 40 we have pulled it up, 20 and 60 we have separated it out, and as well the other nodes which were there at the bottom level, that is the leaf level 10, 30, 50, 70, those nodes are taken its position properly. 10 and 30, because 10 should be less than 20, it will come over here. 30 which is greater than 20 will come over here. 50 less than 60, and 70 greater than 60. Then you have three more elements to add to the tree. One is 80, 90 and 100. 80, so this is the element 80. What are you going to do? 80 you are going to add it here, because this is the place where it, because 80 is first of all greater than 40. So then greater than 60, then definitely it will come to the right side. Already you have 70. You have to place the data elements in a sorted order. So 70, then you place it 80. Next you need to enter the element 90. 90 greater than 40, so it will come towards the right side. 90 greater than 60, come towards the right side. Already 70, 80 were there. Now you are placing 90. Now once three elements are there in the node is full. Simplify it. How will you simplify this? 80 you need to pull it up and include it in the node that is present one level higher to this. So it is 60 here. So 80 will get included here after 60. After 60, then 70 and 90, these two will get separated out. Fine. So this is the tree now presently. Now there is one last element that needs to get added to the tree, that is 100. 100 greater than 40, 100 greater than 60 to 80. Then it will come to the right side. So it will be what? Placed next to 90. Now at this point there is no problem here, because this is a node with two data elements, it is allowed. This is a node with two data elements, it is allowed. Only when you have a node with three data elements, then you need to process it, wherein you will pull the middle node and bring it to one level up, will separate out the children. Whatever you got in the last step, that is your final perfect balanced 2 to 3 tree. One more thing is, this trees, 2 to 3 trees, need not be only carried out on numbers, you can also carry out on alphabets. Construct a 2 to 3 tree for the list algorithm ALGORITHM. So what is the procedure that has to be followed? Whenever alphabets are given, you just follow the same procedure as you carry out for the numbers, but here you will be using the alphabetical order of the letters. So alphabetical order of the letters A, B, C, D. So definitely whenever you are placing the key element, you will check A has to come before B only, D has to come before E. So in the alphabetical order of the letters, you can construct the 2 to 3 tree. Note down these points with respect to the time efficiency of a 2 to 3 tree. In case of 2 to 3 tree, the lower and upper bounds on height edge. So you have a lower bound and you have an upper bound on height edge. The time efficiencies of searching, inserting an element or deleting, all these three operations, it is theta of log n, and theta of log n is for both worst case and average case. In summary, I have written here searching, inserting and deletion. All these three operations, the efficiency is theta log n. and it is for both worst case and average case in case of 2 to 3 tree. Hope you find this session helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.